Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be talking about how money market accounts work, why they are smart option if you want to save with flexibility. A money market account or MMA is a type of a saving account that is offered by the banks or the credit unions. It actually pays you interest on your balance, usually at a higher rate than a regular savings account. So when you open a money market account, you deposit your money just like a savings account. But the great thing with this account is that in many cases, you also get check writing privileges or even a debit card that giving you more access to your money when you need it. It's a mix of savings and checking feature. So the interest that you earn depends on the bank and how much you actually going to deposit. Often, the more money you keep in your account, the higher the interest rate you are going to get. And yes, just like savings account, your money is usually FDIC insured, so it's safe. So if you are looking for a safe place to grow your money while still being able to use it when needed, a money market account could be the perfect fit. So if this video helped you understand MMAs better, hit that like button and subscribe for more simple financial tips. Thanks for watching.